When you had the famous IBM contract, you won the contract to produce their operating system. Why did they let you, in effect, own it and they had to license it? Was that a mistake on their part?
Yeah, this is before graphics interface, when you still just have text on the screen. And so the software MS-DOS was a key thing. So it got to be more of a high-end machine, including this MS-DOS. They didn't see how big this machine would be, and their legal department didn't want to take responsibility for the source code. They had a fairly limited license.
Right.
And that we understood that this was a seminal machine and other people would do similar machines. So that was fairly advantageous to us. They didn't see the values being in the software.
Right.
They thought that the hardware was the key and software was just a sort of necessary thing. So if they had realized the vision we had, which was that software over time would be way more important than hardware, they would have negotiated probably a different deal.
You have a fair amount of money for anybody your age at that time, certainly. Did you say, I'll go splurge and buy a nice car, I'll buy an airplane, I'll buy a boat, or you just didn't really care about that?
I bought one thing that was a tiny bit of a splurge, was that my first car that I owned was a Porsche 911. It was used, but it was an incredible car. And that was actually when I was down in Albuquerque, and sometimes when I would want to think at night, I'd just go out and drive around at high speed. And fortunately, I didn't kill myself doing that.